Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to Phoenix Copper Limited. We are an emerging producer of copper, gold, and silver in the USA. I'm going to skip through the disclaimer, give you a quick overview of the company. So we are focused on Idaho. We're developing the past-producing high-grade Empire copper mine. This was an underground mine with head grades of some 6 to 8% copper, which closed when the workforce was conscripted into World War II. We're in a prolific mineralized district. Empire is the epicenter of 3 mineralized faults, and Bingham Canyon, the massive copper mine, is only a 4-hour drive to the south of us. We are initially targeting a simple open pit mine above the historic deposit. Production late next year to produce copper and zinc, and then gold and silver. This will generate cash, finance on ongoing exploration and development of the greater ore system. CapEx will be in the region of $50 million. We anticipate net revenue of some $800 million over an initial 10-year operating life, EBITDA of some $310 million, and importantly, free cash in year one of $43 million. The project, as currently modeled, has a post-tax NPV of $105 million and an IRR of 47%, but that is at $3.60 copper. At current metal prices, these numbers increase significantly. Payback of the CapEx is less than a year, and the post-tax NPV increases to $175 million and the IRR to 80%. We're an experienced management team. We're committed to sustainable operations. In fact, we plan to use environmentally friendly ammonium thiosulfate to process our precious metals rather than cyanide. And we've got fantastic exploration upside. Almost 30 square kilometers of mineralized claims at Empire, numerous historic mines and workings scattered throughout the area, and we have 2 cobalt projects on the Idaho Cobalt Belt, and in fact we've just agreed an earning arrangement with First Cobalt on one of those. So here we are in Idaho, Empire in Custer County next to the town of Mackey, the cobalt properties to the north in Lemhi County. Excellent infrastructure. Idaho is a pro-mining resource-based economy and has the lowest mining investment risk perception according to the Mining Journal's risk report. So it's a great location and jurisdiction, and we have the full support of the local community in the town of Mackey. As mentioned, we're committed to ESG and sustainability. We've appointed an ESG coordinator, Lenny Wilkins. She is based in Mackey, and she will work closely liaising with our recently created ESG and sustainability committee. On the corporate front, our market cap currently is approximately £55 million or $76 million. We've got 116 million shares in issue, 134 million fully diluted, a loyal and impressive shareholder base, a good mix of high net worth retail and increasingly institutional shareholders. Directors own approximately 5.5%. So we have 3 executive directors, 4 non-executive directors, 2 of whom are independent, an advisory board, and of course senior management on site. Between us all, this is a great combination of professional mining, technical, financial, and corporate. So what are our plans for the rest of this year? Well, we completed an £18 million financing in March, so we have sufficient cash to cover corporate and operational costs well into 2023, including exploration programs for both this year and next. We plan to finance construction of the open pit with debt, so we are not currently planning any more share issues. Apart from ongoing pre-construction feasibility and engineering, importantly, this year we'll be drilling the underground copper sulfides, the Red Star and Horseshoe silver and lead deposits, and the Navarre Creek gold zone. This represents an aggressive, multi-metal drilling program, which we think will provide plenty of news flow and ought to be game-changing for our resource base, future growth, and market value. I think it's going to be an exciting year.